This video is all about doing a big complete kitchen makeover on a budget. As you can see, we have already made a start. So this kitchen, a few years back, we did have it red on this wall and this wall. It was a slightly different tone of red, but it looked nice, it had a warm feel, and it went with the dark cupboards. So we decided to bring that back. Quite a few people that we know, they loved the red, so we agreed. This time round, we're actually going to be painting the rest of this room, which is quite a big room. It is a kitchen dining room. We're going to go for a light colour on these walls. We've got a kind of deep, kind of creamy biscuit colour to go there. We have already made a start. There's so much to do that we haven't been able to film everything, but we have been fixing door frames and painting those. So the woodwork has started. Obviously I've been painting this wall. You may think I've missed a bit there, but we're actually having some tiling. Normally I would start from left to right. That's normally my rule. But on this occasion, because most of our storage sits here, and it's actually currently living on the table, we wanted to get this wall done first so that we can put the shelves back up and get that stuff back on there. What else have we been doing? We've been peeling up the sealant, which is coming off so that we can do the tiling on a nice fresh canvas. And yeah, there's been lots going on. One of the reasons for making this video in particular is to show that you can transform a big space if you're motivated to do the work yourself, and you can do it without spending an absolute fortune. Right, let's get on. Okay, so more progress has been made. We have got the shelves are back on because that's had plenty of coats and it's covered nicely. Obviously you've seen the lights being done. I've been working on getting this side done, so that needs a couple more coats. And we've got some of our lovely items going back on the shelving. So I think we're doing all right, we're making good progress. We've got sealant remover, just taking off the bits around the windowsill where the tiles are going to go.
It's the Unibond silicone sealer remover.
Perfect. Yeah, so that's going on around the windowsill where some of the sealant was a bit too thick to scrape away. And yeah, I wanted to get more coverage today. I was hoping to get this wall done. It's still quite early, even though it looks really dark outside. Okay, we're gonna keep going till Strictly's on. a few days of tiling due to other bits and pieces going on, but I'm finally back on it now. I'll show you how far I've got. So excuse the mess, because obviously we have to move everything around, but still be able to use it. So so far all this area is done, minus the top bit that is going to be done at the end when everything's finished. So that bit's all grouted and really pleased with how it's looking. This area has been tiled, but the grouting is yet to be done. And then there's more tiling to go along here, and again, messy area along here. All of the tiles have been done. I've raised the sockets and put the tiles behind so it looks nice and neat. The only one that we can't do that for is this, because it's a different type of socket. All these ones, the switches and the plugs are attached to the plate, whereas this one, it's just the plate is its own thing and then switches are set in. So with this particular one, I've had to tile around it, and then going to put in some edging and grout around that, so it will still look nice and neat. These wipes are amazing. So working with grout and tile adhesive, it is really hard to get that off your skin and also off surfaces. And because we've been painting, obviously there's going to be random drips. We've even found some bits of paint that were here from before when we originally decorated the kitchen years ago. This will really help. It's gentle on your skin but tough enough to get all the leftover bits of paint, adhesive, sort of residue that you have.